How to remove feedback smiley from Microsoft Edge Beta for Windows. Here's how to remove feedback smiley from Microsoft Edge Beta for Windows. Head to hkey_local_machine/software/policies/Microsoft/Edge under Windows Registry Editor. Check if the user feedback allowed exists under Edge. If user feedback allowed exists, set the value 0 to it. If it does not, right-click on Edge and select New DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name it User Feedback Allowed. Then give it the value 0. Restart Microsoft Edge Beta on your Windows PC.